Hi everyone, this is Silvia from Dreamy Fox. Welcome to my first tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I've created these fun Easter shaker bunnies. This design is available to download on my Facebook group, Dreamy Fox Club, and is available either as a PDF or as a FCM file that you can use with your brother's ScanNCut machine. So I first started by loading the file on my machine and a piece of cardstock on the cutting mat. Here I've used white, but you can use any color that you want. This is going to be the body of the bunny. In my settings, I've set the blade at 6.5 and pressure at 1. This might be different in your case, so do a test cut before starting. Now, without unloading the mat, I'm replacing the blade with a pen holder. In this case, I'm using a black marker and to draw the bunny's eyes, nose and whiskers. At this point, I've replaced the white cardstock with another color, in this case pink, to cut the inner parts of the bunny's ears and feet. Finally, I have loaded a piece of clear acetate on my cutting mat to cut what would be the front of the bunny. In my case, I had to set the blade at 8 and cutting pressure at 3. Now that all the pieces are cut, we are ready to assemble the shaker bunny. In this case, I've used sequins in 3 different tones of pink and a contrasting yellow glitter powder. Then I stick the clear acetate to the base of the bunny using a small tip liquid glue. You might need to hold the acetate in place for a few seconds to allow the glue to dry. Next, I stick the ring that is going to cover the edge of the acetate on top of it. Finally, I stick all the other pieces together to create the bunny. And here it is, our cute shaker bunny. You could use it as a Easter decoration for your house or as a seat marker for the table, as a decoration for a flower pot or anything really. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another fun video. And in the meantime, if you want, you can keep up to date with the next releases by following me on Instagram as Dreamyfox.art and on Facebook as Dreamy Fox. Bye!